YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be dropping a stir-fry wok video that I did a couple weeks ago. Just trying to be a little bit more creative in the kitchen and just getting back to the old school, just having fun with the food and making it healthy at the same time. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. What's up, YouTube? About to do a quick stir fry for dinner. So far I have some chopped up broccoli, and then over here I have bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and some garlic. And then I have my wok going over here. About to get that heated up in a minute. And then we're gonna have some yellow rice with turmeric in it. So check back in later. Alright, welcome back to the channel, YouTube. So today we're just doing a quick, I guess you can call it a quick stir fry. So I already have my veggies cut up, and I'm just gonna saute them here real quick, and then throw some protein in. So we got the wok heating up now. Just add a little oil to it. Just probably a little bit more than we need. So I'm gonna dump some of that off. Alright. So we've got our oil going. Now we just want to add our veggies. So I have bell peppers and mushrooms and garlic and some diced up zucchini and some onions. So get that going. Doesn't take long to cook it all. So at this point you can basically add whatever seasoning you want to this. So I'm just going to add some onion powder. Little paprika. And add my garlic powder if I can find it. A little garlic in there. So I have fresh garlic and garlic powder in there now. Put down a little bit. Let that cook down for another minute or two. Cooking down pretty good. Now I want to add a last vegetable, which is my broccoli. That to it. This will also be the time if you have soy sauce that you added. I don't have any soy sauce, so I'm just doing liquid smoke. Alright, I think we are about done here. Timer going off. Alright, now let's plate this. Alright, as you can see, I already had my yellow rice prepared. Just add some cilantro to it, some extra flavor. Now we just want to add our cook up here. Let's do that. That's it. See how does it taste? It's hot. A1 from day one.